Hello, welcome back to the channel. My name is AW. Thank you for stopping by and following my channel. If you like these kind of videos, please consider subscribing, hitting the like button, and share with family and friends. I have a great recipe I'm sharing with you today and looking forward to the comments in below. Thank you. Everyone, just a reminder, new videos will be coming out every Friday at 6 p.m. Eastern Time. Here we go, guys. We have 5 pieces of smoked turkey necks coming to a bowl, 1 whole onion. This is the picture of my smoked beef tallow. If you do not have beef tallow, use butter. Half a bell pepper, 2 tablespoons of chicken base, 2 tablespoons of Tony's no salt Creole seasoning, 2 tablespoons of black pepper, and 5 tablespoons of brown sugar. And here right now, I'm putting everything in the pot, combining everything and bringing this turkey neck to a high rumble boil. And here goes the spices. And like I said, we're just getting everything together. We're going to cook this turkey neck until it gets tender. And that way we can add the rest of our vegetables and then bring that to heat it. Then we add our shrimp. But just bear with me, guys. It's coming along together. And we're just putting everything in. And like I said, if you do not have beef tallow, and I have a video on how to make that using the trimmings from your brisket, just use butter or vegetable oil. And all my cooking videos, the ingredients and recipe will be in the video description. All right, we got everything combined. I'm going to give it a good stir. And I think I have the stove on medium high. I'm going to bring this to a high boil, and then we're going to turn it down on low and let it simmer. And just it's coming together, giving it a good stir. And then I'm going to bring it to a boil. When it comes to a boil, I'll bring you guys back. All right, we brought it up to a low boil, and I think I had it cook kind of fast. I was kind of tight on time, but when you got it cooking like this, just keep an eye on the liquid. If you have to add more water, you don't want it to stick or run out of water. So here it is. It's about an hour and a half, 2 hours later. My turkey necks are tender. I can stick a fork in them, and it's going through smooth and real tender. So now we're going to get ready to get all our vegetables together. Now we have the shrimp. The shrimp that goes in last. So here we have the okra, the tomatoes, and these are some big shrimp that we're going to put in that's already been deshelled and deveined. So we have our okra, 2 bags of okra, corn that's been drained, 5 roasted tomatoes, 1 can, and then I also added a can of tomato sauce offline. Everything looks real good. We're about to combine everything and give it a good stir. Okra is about to go in. The 5 roasted garlic tomatoes is going in. And 1 can of drained corn is going in. Give everything a nice stir. And this is when once I stirred it, I tasted it and realized I needed more seasoning. And that's why we have more seasoning, and it needed more sugar. The tomatoes, sauce, and 5 roasted tomatoes had it very, very bitter, so we added some more brown sugar. And now we're going to give this a good stir. We checked our seasoning and give it a good stir. Now we're going to put it on a low simmer. Get everything heated through. Get your okra cooked and tender. And then once that happens, give it another good stir, and then you can add your shrimp. Hey guys, right now I'm about to add the can of tomato sauce in here. Just pour it on in, give it a good stir. And I added some more brown sugar to cut the sourness of the tomatoes. Hey guys, right here we just added the can of tomato sauce, and I think we added the brown sugar to, to break the sourness of the tomatoes and the fire roasted tomatoes. And I tell everybody you have to taste your food as you go. I think a old saying with all cooks and chefs, you got to taste everything. You cannot serve food that you have not tasted. And like I said, we added all our seasoning, spices, chicken base. Give it a good stir, taste, make sure everything's well incorporated. And like we said, we have this heat on it. Medium heat, trying to get everything nice and warm and cooked, get the vegetables tender, get the okra cooked, and get everything like we want it. But like you said, we have to taste our food as we go. For seasoning, I'm adding more black pepper. Guys, everybody who knows me know I like black pepper. I had to add some more of the Tony's salt-free Cajun seasoning. It's strictly flavor and spice. And that's the Tony's right here. Some good stuff. But I didn't realize this is a big pot of soup, so it took some seasoning to get it where we wanted it. And that good stir, incorporate everything and let everything blend together. And it all worked out good. It was a good pot of okra and shrimp. And right here, I'm about to put my lid on and check the temperature, the setting of the stove one last time. And, stay close by and bring it up to a slow simmer. And once it's up to a slow simmer and all the vegetables are cooked and heat through, we can add our shrimp. And once we add our shrimp, just a low boil for about 10-15 minutes. Shrimp doesn't take long to cook, and the last thing you want to do is overcook your shrimp and make them rubbery and tough. So now, guys, we're about to add our shrimp, and it's a wrap. The seasoning is good, the turkey is tender, the vegetables are done. So now we're just adding the shrimp, and I think I got it on a super low heat, and incorporating all those good large shrimp, and I make sure I push them all down in the soup, finish cooking, and that's a wrap. Hey, you can go ahead and start getting ready to eat now. Yeah, this is a classic recipe in our family, just okra and shrimp. I'm not quite sure it's all throughout the South. And here we are. Here's the final product. Just a nice bowl, some large shrimp, piece of turkey at the bottom. Turned out great. I hope you enjoyed that recipe. Thank you for following along. If you like these kind of videos, please hit subscribe, the like button, and share with family and friends. Until then, to my next video, keep cooking.